Star Wars is full of laser blasters and thousands of laser sounds. In fact, the Star Wars film saga begins with a huge blaster battle between Rebel and Empire forces in Star Wars Episode 4, A New Hope. The zappy sound of a laser is a great example of how a single attack decay envelope can be used to shape a lot of different kinds of sounds. Let's take a look at making some basic laser sounds and how small changes can generate some nice textures. Let's start with a simple attack decay envelope in maths. Laser sounds usually have a sudden attack at full volume at the onset, and then quickly quiet back down to silence. The same could be said of the pitch of a laser sound, as they generally start at a high pitch and quickly drop to get the classic zap. Set the rise time on channel 1 to 0% for a fast laser zap, and the fall time to about 12 o'clock or 50%. Let's route the unity output from maths channel 1 to the control input on the VCA, in this case the Optimix. Let's also connect the maths channel 1 variable output to the 1 volt per octave input on the main oscillator on the DPO, while turning up the channel 1 attenuverter on maths. Connect the final output from the DPO to the Optimix input and the Optimix to the mixer. Let's tune the DPO wave shaping controls to produce a sine wave, setting the shape to sine, angle to 12 o'clock, and the fold to between 9 and 12 o'clock. When we trigger maths, we should now get a basic laser sound. We can play with the fall time, vary response time knob, and channel 1 attenuverter to dial in a shape to our laser blast sound, offering a lot of room for variation. We can also start to add a little bit of modulation to the laser. A bit of linear FM from the DPO modulation oscillator can add some wetness to the laser sound. Try it in LFO mode at faster rates. To finish off this sound and give it a classic Star Wars flavor, we can route the Optimix output to an echo or room effect from a reverb or short delay. Let's try applying the Sputnik 4-tap delay. I'll split the signal using the scooper, though a buffered mult would also work, and route it to both the delay input as well as one of the crossfader inputs to preserve the dry signal. We'll route the first crossfader channel out to the second crossfader channel in, and then out to our mixer. We can route 2 of the different tap time outputs into the 2 crossfader channels, and route the second outputs of each to the remaining inputs to create a feedback loop, providing extra repetitions of the delay. Using this setup, we can dial in how much of an echo effect we want on the laser. By playing with this simple attack decay setup, we can generate all kinds of sounds, from kick drums similar to ones we've made before, to bass drops, rises, and more. Thanks for watching, and as always, please like, follow, and subscribe.